It's nice to be able to pull your hair back either half up or all the way up in the summertime. It gets hot, it gets humid, either you want to pull it up or you kind of have to because your style melted. So I'm showing you two options today, one for a half up and then one for pulling it all up. That can be kind of dressed up or dressed down, either way, whichever way you want to go with it. If you're curious though about how I got to this starting point, these loose waves, you can click, let me see, I'll put it right here. Click right here and you can watch that video. You can also open it in a new tab if you want to keep watching this video. So I'll show you how to do the half up first and then we will do the full up style at the end. The first step of this hair tutorial is to gather the crown area of your hair. So imagine there's a halo sitting on your head. Just grab the hair that the halo would touch, divide it in half and tie it in a regular knot. From here, we'll be adding hair in from either side. So if your hair is much shorter than mine, you may have some layers peeking through, but I would leave them and just deal with them at the end. So see, I'm grabbing the hair from the right side and now I will pick up hair on the left side and I'm just adding it to the tails from that first knot and I'll do the same thing again, tying a second knot. If your hair is really long, I think you could do a third knot too, but this length, kind of mid-length, is good for just 2 knots. Secure in place with bobby pins and then stretch the knot out a little bit just to make it look a little fuller. Sometimes it can look really tight on the head, so I like to just pull at it a bit to stretch it out to make it look bigger. I love how quick and simple this half style is, and it kind of shows off the knotting that you did without being super complicated. You saw how quick that was to do. If you have more layers in your hair, it might be a little bit more challenging. This is best for like mid-length to longer hair. This next look is a go-to like low messy bun. Sometimes I don't feel like putting my hair kind of up high. I feel like that almost always has to be a casual look, but this low messy bun, if you don't pull it out and stretch it as much, I think you could dress it up a little too. So I'll show you how to do that now. So don't hold anything too tightly here with this style. See how loose my fingers are? They're wide open. I'm pulling the hair halfway through the clear elastic and then wrapping it around again. You can see the ends of my hair sticking out to my left in this video. I'm loosening the hairs right around my face. I like to leave a little like side bang out. I don't even know if I should call it a bang. And then to make sure the bun doesn't look completely separated from your hair, I'm pulling out a bit of hair from the right side and just wrapping it around. Then you can take a peek with a hand mirror and see what it looks like. I don't like the amount of hair that's left hanging out from that first elastic. So I'm stretching it to give myself a little bit more to work with, and I'm going to fold it up and stick another pin in. Whenever you're pinning hair, make sure you're pinning exactly where your fingers are holding the hair. That will ensure that the hair is going to stay exactly where you want it. So I could really see this as a casual, I'm throwing my hair up, I want it off my neck, or fancier earrings, dressy outfit. I feel like you could dress this up a little bit if you've got somewhere to go. So those were just my two most recent go-tos, that one half up style if I need something easy that looks a little interesting, and then this low messy bun I do a lot in the summer as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you're not following on Instagram, please give me a follow. I will type my handle right here, and I share a lot of quick hair tips and even like 60-second hair tutorials on my Instagram feed as well, and tutorials on IGTV, so there's a lot going on over there. You should join in.